Hey guys, so today I received my Aeropress. Been very excited, waiting for this thing. Let's give it a go. So first of all, just going to quickly grind some beans. Alright, cool. So I need 20 grams. I'm going to be doing the inverted method with this Aeropress, which is where you slightly inserted that plunger to that point. You sort of brew in the top and then flip it. Stick that on there. And let's stick it on the scales. Let's get 20 grams. Just shaking it to level it out. I have this supposedly kettle, but it doesn't actually work on my induction hob. So it's kind of more like a water pourer. But it's cool because it has a thermometer on the top, which means I can get the temperature to 80 degrees, which is what's recommended for this recipe. Okay, so it's like 94 degrees. This is now at 80 degrees exactly. I added some cold water and loaded this app, which I've loaded in all the steps that I need to do. It's got like timers and things like that. So basically, first step is add 20 grams of coffee, which I've done. Wet filter paper, which I've done, so that it sticks because we're doing it inverted. We begin. Pour 50 grams. 50 grams. And done. Swirl for 15 seconds. So just equally saturating all of the coffee. Pour 170 grams of more water in 10 seconds. Oh, I'm a bit slow. Quick. Yeah. Invert. Then you just press down for like 30 seconds. Nearly there. Okay, I can hear hissing, so I'm going to stop. Wow, here it is. It does have some oils on the top, actually. I'm surprised, because it's paper. Interesting. It's quite complex. That was really quick, and it's very strong in flavour. Cool.